Yeah, now I'm sharing my screen. Give thumbs up if you can able to see my screen. Come on. Is that visible? Give thumbs up. Okay, good. Okay. What we have seen so far is, so in yesterday's class we have seen about the histogram, bar chart, stacker bar, pie, line chart and scatter plot, and I have told you about the scatter plot, how to interpret the scatter plot and how to fetch some meaningful information from scatter plot and all we have already seen. Okay, and SQL commands, what is mean by DDL, DML, DCL, TCL, everything we have seen, and some introduction about the logical operator. Okay, logical operators, what and or not. So what if in both are true? What if in both are false? What if in null and true is coming? Okay, what the and operator will do. So also the basic syntax, we have already seen this. And for or operator, if it is true for both Boolean expression, it will return true. If it is true for any one of the given expression, then also it will return true. Okay, then true if one condition and the second one is null, then it will true. And if null and false, then it will null and null. If it will return false. So if both is null, it will return null. Okay. So this is what which we have seen yesterday. Hope you guys remember. And also not is quite opposite. True means false, false means true. Then null is null. Okay, so this is the syntax for null. So sorry, not operator. Okay. So these are the and, or, and not are the three operators which you have seen. And today's class, we will see some examples. Okay, we are already having two tables, book detail table and online sale table. We have already copied everything in the Postgres, right? Now we will see some more examples, okay, some more queries related to these operators. And also for the first half of the session, I'm going to take some map, okay, sorry, some charts, okay, how to create charts. So today's session we are going to see Treemap and box and Wiskerplot. And in Postgres session, we are going to see the logical operators example and order by class. Okay. So let us start with Excel. Okay. I'm going to Excel. No, so the first thing is we are going to see the tree chart. Okay. Okay. Let's see from first. So I have created one more sample table. Okay. This is the table. I have created the columns, whether it is a breakfast, lunch, or a dinner, and what kind of a breakfast, whether it is a beverage or a food. Okay, and inside lunch also food or a beverage. Okay, this is the hotel menu. Okay, in hotel, what are the things they are having, and what whether the customer had the breakfast as a beverage, and what is the cost of that. Okay, if it is a beverage, tea or coffee, and what is the cost of that. So this is a simple table which I have created. So you can see some relationship, okay, so, some hierarchy, right? So inside this breakfast, okay, breakfast. So inside this breakfast is having how many varieties, whether it is of beverage or food. Okay, these are all the two varieties we have under this breakfast. Okay. So inside this beverage, what we have inside this beverage, we have whether it is a tea or coffee, right? It is tea or coffee. Okay, this is the two things which we have under the beverage. And what else we have under inside the breakfast? Under the food, what are the varieties we have? We are having idli, pongal, right? Dosa, and yeah, and under the breakfast we are having these things. So breakfast is the parent, beverage and food or the child one, and under the beverage child we are having two more child. It is tea and coffee. Under the child two we are having three more child, idli, pongal and dosa. So similarly for the lunch also, whether it is the meals or rice, under the beverage it's a coffee or tea. Okay, similarly for the dinner also under the food and beverage, we are having some chapati, appam, like that we are having. So and related cost is also having. So this is the hierarchy which I have created under this table. Okay, in order to see this, okay, see this hierarchy and how much the tea, breakfast, beverage and tea occupied with respect to the cost. Okay, and how much breakfast, yeah, under the breakfast food idli occupied the with respect to the cost, and how much food with respect to pongal occupied with respect to the cost. So in order to see this, we need the tree map. Okay, so basically tree map is used a nested color rectangle. Let me show you first the tree map, and I will explain about that. Okay, so insert. I need okay. Let me delete all these things first. Here I'm going to insert. Where is the tree? Okay, here tree map. Okay, so here you can see on clicking the tree, see, you need this hierarchy related things. Okay, if you want to um, uh, bring down some meaningful information from this hierarchy. Okay, then if you want to build a tree map, then you need a hierarchy related to this will tell you, see, there are three divisions, there are three colors you can able to see. This is the parent, right? Breakfast, lunch and dinner, this is the parent. Under this breakfast, okay, how much coffee, how much tea, how much pongal, how much dosa, how much idli, okay, it occupies with respect to the cost. Okay, I am telling with respect to the cost. Okay, similarly, how for the lunch, how much coffee, how much rice, how much meals it occupies. Similarly for the dinner, right? So this is how we are interpreting things using the tree map. Okay, if you want to change the design of the chart, then you can see, you can click the after clicking this chart you will get the chart design format and everything. If you want to change the format, see like this, I want to change the my format, you can change. Okay, so the legend should be come in the right side, or it should come in the upside of the chart. And if you want to change the colors, see, I want this color, this kind of color, everything you can able to do. Okay, by clicking the chart design and format. Okay, by clicking the format you can able to change the letters inside, the colors inside and everything, it's up to you. Okay, if you want to change the chart type, it will show you what are all the chart it can able to do. So see here, I want a sunburst chart, then it is also showing. Okay, and click OK, then it changed it as a sunburst chart. So here also we can able to see here under the lunch, dinner and breakfast, what are all the child we are having, food and beverage. So under this beverage, how much tea is occupying, how much coffee is occupying. So it has given the clear hierarchy of the chart. Okay, so we have seen tree and sunburst chart. Okay, so likewise, you can able to create. So why the tree map is used to see the nested triangle, right? It is having, you can see it is having some nested and colored triangles like a branches, right? For every items in the data set. So for every items in the data set, it is showing the rectangle, right? Represented by the rectangle. And the size of each is correlated to the number of datas. Okay. So for each size, if this t is very less, then it is with respect to the what is the cost, right? So the size of the each thing is correlated with the number of data and the cost. Okay, automatically it uses the different colors for each level of the parent category. So for the parent breakfast it is blue, and for the parent lunch it is orange, and dinner it is gray, right? So likewise we can able to interpret some meaningful information using this tree chart and sunburst chart. Okay. Okay. So better you also just create the similar kind of a data set and give a try. Okay. This is your first exercise. Okay. Just try to create the similar kind of data set and try to create these two chart. Okay. We will, shall we, you guys clear in this? Shall we move on to the next topic? Please give thumbs up. Come on, fast. Give thumbs up. Shall we move on to the next topic? Next is box and Wiskerplot. Okay, good. Box and Wiskerplot. Okay, before going to this box and Wiskerplot, I would like to tell you one concept is called as some what is mean by distribution and what is mean by IQR. Okay, so okay, consider this is your data. Okay, consider this is the field which you are having. So just sort it in the ascending order. Sort it in the ascending order. And for the first, okay, the first quarter which you are dividing it into the three parts. Okay, Q1 is nothing but a quarantile Q1. Okay, so IQR can able to calculate using Q3 minus Q1. It is IQR is nothing but interquartile range. Okay, interquartile range can be measured using IQR, Q3 minus Q1. Let me tell you what is Q1, Q2 and Q3. Okay, Q1 is nothing but first quartile. Okay, second Q2 second quartile, and third is third quartile. Okay, Q3 is, so it is nothing but Q1 is nothing but it will cover the 25 percentage. You can see it will cover the 25 percentage of the data. Okay, so the first 25 percent, if you are having 100, 100, for example, if you're having 100 data set, the first 25 for 25 for 25th data until 25th data, it is called as a first quarantine. Okay, Q1. And you people already know about the median. What is median? If I divide my data into two and the middle of the data is known as the median. Okay, that is Q2. So until Q2, it has it has a 50 percentage of data, right? From here to here I will get 50 percentage. Okay, from here to here 25, and here to here 50. And until up to Q3, okay, you will get up to Q3, you will get how much of data? 75 percentage of your data. Okay, up to Q3 you will get 75 percentage of data. So what about the things which are above this 75 and here, what above below 25? So these are all the extremes. Okay, these are the lower and upper extremes. So this is upper extreme and this is lower extreme. Okay, and this is the lower quartile. This Q1 is nothing but a lower quartile, and Q3 is nothing but an upper quartile, and this is the median. This is our median. Okay, So why we are separating our data like this? Okay, what is the point in separating our data like this? Because this you know about the this data might contain some outliers. Okay, outliers. Sorry about the handwriting. That's outliers. Okay. Okay, so what is mean by outliers? Outliers is nothing but, so some of the values are not significantly see you cannot take those data because those values has significantly higher or lower than the rest of the data. Okay, let me tell you with some examples. Okay, how this outliers are impacting on this median, and while calculating the basic statistics of the data, how these outliers are impacting. Okay, let me show you the simple chart. Okay. Mm, what is the data set which okay, we will take some invoice data also. Okay. Here it is. We have already created this, right? Okay, I will take this discount. I will take this discount and I will create the chart. Okay, I will create a box and whisker plot. So you can go to this histogram and here you can see the box and whisker plot. Okay, so for this discount, I am creating box and whisker plot. Mm. So I close this and I'm going to add some data labels to this because I need to see the values. Okay, I just want to see some values. So you can see here this upper one. Okay, this is called as my, I have already told you the lower and upper. Okay, it will arrange the data and it will automatically calculate all the upper extreme and lower extreme, lower quartile and upper quartile and median. So here it is. So this line you can able to see this line, right? This middle line is called as a median, and this box, this upper limit of the box, this 20 value. So this is the upper quartile, and this one is the lower quartile, and this 1.969 value, that value is called as the lower extreme, and this 29 is my higher extreme. Okay, upper extreme. Okay, so we are having the outliers. Okay, what is mean by outlier, I have already told you. So if I have any value, okay, if I have any value which is significantly more higher or more lower than the other rest of the data, so this is my discount column, right? So I can't give discount more than 90 or 95 percentage. Is that true or not? Is that possible to give above that percentage? No, it is not possible. If someone entered the data in a wrong way, so we might get some outliers, which is not a meaningful outlier. Okay, so we can able to take this as an 100. Okay, 100, 102, 200. So these are all the some of the outliers and unwanted data which I am having. So while entering this itself, you can able to see how the chart is differing, how it is affecting my median and all the things, other things. Okay, so how the statistics is getting differed. See, you can, I'm increasing the outliers and so that you can able to. So at first my median was 17. Now you can see my median got increased. It got increased up to 18, and my range of the thing also got increased. So when I do statistics, do statistics using this data, is that possible to get the meaningful value from it? No. The answer is no. So for that only we are using this box and whisker plot. So this box and whisker plot, on seeing this itself, if it is we are having very less number of data, that is okay. We can able to find, oh, there are more number of outliers are there, so that we can able to eliminate. But if you are having many millions of data, we can't. So for that only, we are filtering our data in order to get the balanced statistics, in order to get the normalized one. We need this quarantile. Okay. So up to from Q1 to Q3 only, I can, it is reasonable. Okay. From Q1 to Q3 only, we should take those data for the statistics. Okay. That range is represented by this box. Okay, using this box plot, I can able to see here using this box plot. Okay, within this range only, I can able to take those values. So that could be meaningful. When I took those values, that could be meaningful to do the statistics. So that is what we can able to analyze using this box and whisker plot. So this is the basic analysis using we can do using the box and Wiskerplot. Okay, hope you guys got my point. So this is the data we are arranging, and automatically we have already seen about this what is Q1 and Q3 and what is IQR range. So the range within this one is called as IQR. Okay, IQR. Okay, the range within this is IQR. So which is nothing but Q3 minus Q1. Here it is a formula. Okay. So Q2 is nothing but my median. Okay. Q3 minus Q2. I should take the range within this one for the perfect statistics. So it is reasonable to eliminate all the outliers. Okay. If it is significantly very high or very low, then we can eliminate those outliers. So that it should not impact on the result of the statistics which we are taking. So this is the basic thing about the box and the whisker plot. Hope you guys clear in this point. If yes, please raise your hand, or if you're having any doubts, please let me know. Give thumbs up. Shall we move on to the next? Give thumbs up. Are you people following me or not? Shall we move on to the Postgres part? Okay. Okay. In yesterday's session, we have seen the Postgres. What we have seen in the Postgres, we have seen the logical operators, right? So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to frame some of the questions. Okay, I'm going to frame some of the questions related to this logical operators. From my table, I will take my table. Just a minute, I will take the table. There are two tables are there, right? See here, you can see. There are two tables are here. Book details and online sale. Okay. So let me see the structure of my book details table. Okay. See, this is the structure of the book details table. I'm just copy pasting this. Okay, this is the book details table. And how about my online sale? This is the structure of my online sale table. Just copying and pasting here. Okay. So this is the structure of the online sale table. So now what I'm going to do is, with related to these tables, I'm going to do some logical operations, okay, in the var class. So I'm going to frame some questions related to this, okay. So let me type some questions, okay. I'll keep this in this side. So here I'm going to frame my questions. Okay. So question 1, reduce the font size. So question 1, what I need is, so I need to select, okay, I need to select the book details. Okay, either it is here we are having some editions, right? Whether it is available in a Kindle edition or a ebook edition. Okay, so uh, I want need to select uh, the book details. Select the book or okay, select the books having both Kindle and ebook. So this is my first question. Okay, so you can see this here is a both keyword. Okay, both means I need Kindle equal to yes and ebook equal to yes. Both should be true. So this is the first question related to and. Okay, so what we can form using the next question is, okay, we will go for the order details. Okay, online sale. So here online sale, in online sale, can we choose the state wise? Okay, so in online sale there is a column called as a state wise. Okay, select select the state. Okay, state we have already seen, it has a New York, I think. Okay, New York. Select the state New York with we are having some shipping modes, right? So here is the shipping mode. Okay, I need the shipping mode. Okay, with shipping mode, I think the shipping mode is having some groups like first class, second class, and same day, like that. Okay, I want all the New York State. Okay, I want to see all the books which got dispatched to the New York State with the shipping mode as a first class. First class. Right? This is my second question. And third question. Okay. Third question is we can go for whether it is having the same day shipping. Okay. So this first class might differ in the date. Okay. So the same question I'm going to, the state is New York, whether it is having the shipping mode as a same day. Same day, or the same day you can able to check using the order date equal to shipping date. You can see here, right? The whether the order date, okay, whether the order date equal to ship date. So in either way you can able to check. Hmm? Shipping mode is same day or order date equal to same date. So by using and operator, you can able to do this. Okay, in order to check whether they have I entered it properly or not. Okay, check whether they are having any misentries regarding to this. So by using this, we can able to check. So this is related to and. So now we are going to complete these three questions. Okay. So my first question is, see the books having both Kindle and ebook. So here, let me go to the notepad. Okay. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to select. Okay, this is my first question. Select the book having both Kindle and ebook. Select star from what is my the book details, right? Book details ILS, book details. Select star from book details. Where condition? What is my first condition? My what is that? Okay, Kindle. Kindle. Column name is Kindle equal to yes. Whether that particular book is having that edition, Kindle edition or not. And also, and I need ebook also. Ebook edition also. Ebook, I think. Yes, it is ebook. Ebook equal to yes. So if it is and, okay, if it is and, if I use and logical operator, then it will check for both. Both ebook and Kindle should be yes. Both Kindle and ebook should be yes. Okay, the rows which are having this both condition true, then it will retrieve that particular rows. Otherwise, it will not. So this is the AND operation, AND logical operator will do. So you can see there are 30 rows, okay, which satisfying my both condition. Kindle yes and ebook also yes. Okay, it should satisfy the both conditions. So that is what AND will do. So what OR will do? For the same question, I can change the question as select the books having select the books having select the books having either Kindle or ebook. So I want either Kindle is yes or ebook is yes. Okay. So I'm going to change it as an OR operator. Now we can see how many rows are coming. See how many rows are coming. So there are 73 rows are there. Either this one is yes or either this one is yes. If it is having the Kindle, okay, yes, it will bring. But it will not care for that particular row, it will not going to care for the ebook edition. If the ebook is yes, then it will not care for the Kindle edition. If it is no, then it will bring. Okay, what we have did on the previous thing, and will bring this kind of rows. See here, both it is available in both edition, both Kindle edition and ebook edition also available. Then it will bring. Okay, so this is the difference between and or. So shall we move on to the next one? Next, what is my next question? Select the state is New York with the shipping mode first class. Okay, so this is the first next question we are going to solve. Okay, so what is the select? What is the query? Select star from this is online sale, right? Online sale where my state should be New York and shipping mode should be first class, right? What is the column name? Here, state. Okay. State is New York. Whether they are giving space between New and York or not, we will confirm it. Okay. Yesterday we have completed that. Okay. Here it is. New York City. So what is the state? State here. It is New York. Simply New York, right? New York. Okay. Simply it is having New York. The first thing is state. State equal to New York, and I need both condition to get true. Okay, and ship mode. Ship mode should be equal to first class. We need to see the spelling for the first class. Where is the spelling for the first class? Spelling means in the sense whether it is having the capital letter or small letter or space, everything should be same. If you give other than that, then it will not. Then it will not show you. Okay, this is the next query. You can see it is having the first class. Okay, and New York City, New York, United States. Okay, my state should be New York, and I want to view what are all the okay, I want to view what are all the dispatch which has gone in the shipping mode of first class to the New York City, right? New York State. So this much of books got dispatched in the first class for the state New York. So the both condition are true. Okay, it will get the rows which is satisfied the both condition. The first condition is first class and second condition is New York. Okay, so this is what the AND operator will do, and you can add some more. Okay, and what else we can add? Okay, we will take the price. Okay, what are all or the amount, the total amount. Hmm? The total amount should be greater than $100 or okay 1,000. Let us keep as in $1,000. Okay, it should be greater. So like this, you can able to add any number of condition. Okay, and you can able to add any number of condition as per your wish, as per the requirement. Okay, so see here this much of the rows we are having the first class shipping mode and the state is New York, and my amount should be greater than $1,000, right? It satisfied all the rows. So how many rows we are getting? There are 59 rows. Satisfied all these three conditions. There are 59 rows satisfied all these three conditions. What are the three conditions? First class, New York, and greater than $1,000. Okay. So these are the three conditions which we have seen. So what is my third question? So here the state New York and ship mode in the same day. Okay, what are all the rows? What are all the shipping details which we have shipped in the same day for the New York City? Right. This is the third question. Fourth, I think. Okay, fourth one. Same day. Okay, let me take the same thing. And here the okay state name should be in New York and ship date. Okay, right? Order date equal to order date equal to ship date, right? Ship date. So either it can be order date equal to ship date, or we can use the ship date ship mode is on the same day. Okay, so all the entries are the same only. So here I will show you. See, there are 30 rows. Okay, 30 rows. There are 30 shipments gone so far for the New York City with the ship mode same day. Okay, dispatched. I have dispatched my order on the same day. Okay, we have checked the date, whether the order date is equal to ship date. We can either do it in this way, or here for all the same day shipment, the entry is ship mode equal to same day entry. So we can use that also. Either way we can able to use. Okay, and we can add some more thing. The amount is greater than 1,000. So if I add some more condition, you can see should be great. What are all the orders I got for the New York City, where I dispatched my order in the same date, and the amount is greater than 1,000. So here there are 19 rows. Out of 30, we got 19 rows for the amount greater than 1,000. Okay, for the same condition, we got amount greater than 1,000. We got only 19 rows. Okay, so this is my third question. Hope you guys are comfortable with this. Okay. So we have seen and or, both are here. Okay. And or. Both of the things we have seen from using this four queries. So shall we move on to the not operator? If yes, please give thumbs up. Please give thumbs up. Come on, quick. I need a quick thumbs up. Are you guys listening or not? Yes, good. Or raise your hand or give thumbs up or anything. Okay, good. So we are moving to the next one. So what is the next one? Not operator. Okay. So I'm going to frame some more questions for the not. Okay. So for not, I'm having the right. Okay. Okay. Here I will take this book details and we are having some genre, right? We are having some genre, children's, horror, fictional, like that we are having. So what I need is, I want to choose books for my kids, okay? So what I need is, I don't want any books related to the content. Okay, let me select some more. Okay, I'll go for the, see here, these are all the things we are having. Non-fictional, science fictional, children's fictional, young adult, romance. So I don't want, okay, I don't want books. I don't want the books related to romance. I don't want the books related to young adults. Okay, so I'm copy pasting this. I don't want all these books. So I'm going to choose, I'm going to filter the books for my kids. Okay, so so that I am eliminating all these things. Okay, so I'm choosing the books for the kids which is suitable for kids. Okay, all the others are or memory. Okay, I'll eliminate this also. Okay, so these are the three things I need to eliminate. So what I can do is, okay, what I can do is select star from, what is the table name, book details. Okay, where not, okay, not in, what is the column name, genre, right? Genre, genre not in, right? Not in these three books, right? These three or these four, anything. I'm giving like this. So if it is a string or sorry, if it is a varchar, then you need to give it inside the single quote. So it will filter all the books, not except, okay, not in means except young adult, romance and memoir. Okay. So you can see here. So it filtered all the books. Here is our query. I have pasted our query. Not in. What the not in will do, it will eliminate. It will, if it is the true, then it gives false, right? That is the not operator, not logical operator will do. So what it will do, if it is if it is having, it will check the rows one by one. If it is having young adults, then it will eliminate. It will not bring in. So that's what a not in will do. Okay. If it is the romance, okay, the genre is romance, though, so it will eliminate. If it is a memory, then it will eliminate that row, that particular row, and it will bring all the others row. You can see here, mystery, fiction, children, science fiction, fantasy, everything is there except these three category. Except these three category, it will bring everything inside. So we can use this not operator to check the range of the things also. Okay, Let me show you how to check the range also. Okay. So the next question which I'm going to do is for online sale. Okay, for online sale, let me take the same thing for online sale. My order date, okay, my order date should be, or my shipping date should be, should not be less than some date. Okay, should not be less than. I will take this range. Okay, 2020. Okay, I will take this range, the range of date. My so select star from online sale, where not, what is the column name, ship date, right? Ship date, it should be less than or equal to, it should be less than or equal to, sorry, it should not be less than or equal to. What is mean by that? Where not ship date, where not ship date, if it is, if I didn't give the not here, then it will bring all the dates which is less than this particular date. Okay, I'm giving the not here, I'm giving the not here. Now what it means, it will bring all the dates which is greater than this particular date. Quite opposite, right? If I give less than equal to, then it will bring all the greater than date. Okay, so this is what we are going to do now. It will bring all the date which is greater than this particular date, 2020 09/19. So let us execute this. You can see my shipping date. Okay, you can see my shipping date which is greater than that particular date. All the dates are greater, right? It all the dates are above 2020 09/19. Okay, all the dates are above that particular date. So this is what the not will do. Okay, let me delete this not and execute. What it will do, see, you can see the date, all the dates are less than that particular date. Okay, now you can understand the difference between not and without not, right? You can give the not for this range operator also, range things also, and for in also, with the in and with the greater than less than, you can able to use this not. So these are the two kinds which we can, in all the other ways also you can do, but for example I have given this two. So hope you guys clear in this concept. If yes, please raise your hand or give thumbs up. Shall we proceed for order by? Shall we proceed for order by? What is order by? Yes, please give thumbs up. Shall we proceed? Are you guys listening or not? Okay, good. Okay, so for the same thing, okay, I'm going to give order by. So order by is nothing but what it will do is it will arrange my rows, and okay, it will arrange my rows in whether it is in descending order or ascending order. Okay, so let me take one query. So this query. Okay, so let me take this query. So I'm going to, what I'm going to do is I'm going to order by, if I give order by DESC means in this will give order by amount. Okay, AMOUNT. Okay, amount is my, with respect to this amount column, it will arrange all the rows in the descending order. If you didn't give this descending, it will take it as an ascending. So ascending is a default. Okay, if I give order by amount, it will take it as an ascending. So I will give descending and see what is happening. Okay, copy that, I think. Okay, let me copy this and paste here. You can see the amount. Okay, you can see all the amount got arranged in the descending order. Okay, you can see 4,000 is coming first and slightly it's coming in the descending order for this amount. Okay, let me delete this descending and copy paste this. Simply I'm giving order by. You can see now it is in the ascending order. So starting from 1002, it is coming in the ascending order and slightly it is increasing, right? So up to 4,000. So this is how you need to arrange, okay? Arrange your data. So I want to arrange my data more than one column. It is also possible. So with respect to amount and state, okay? With respect to amount and state, I need to arrange my data in an ascending order. Okay, it will arrange all the data with respect to the state. Okay, so I have given it as a New York, so it will not arrange. So let me take this first and I will give. Since it is having only New York City, then we can't find the difference, right? So here it is. It will arrange all the things related to. So here is my amount and here is my state, right? So it will arrange. It will arrange the amount first, and with respect to this amount, it will arrange the state. Okay. Hope you guys got my point. Okay, if I give amount comma state. So like this, you can able to give n number of columns, any number of columns as per your wish. Okay, this is the order by will do. What the order by will do, it will arrange your records accordingly. What is the default thing? It is in a ascending order. So whether you can give ascending like this ASC or simply just leave it, it will arrange in the ascending order. If you want to arrange it in the descending order, then you have to give DESC deliberately. Okay, so this is the thing about order by. Okay, hope this is easy for you. Hope you got my point. If yes, please raise your hand. If yes, please raise your hand. Hope you guys are following. Okay, let us move on to the poll session. We are stopping the recording now. Rajesh, can you please stop the recording?